Let's turn now to Ashley down in Bessemer. Ashley, good evening to you.
Hi, yes. I have a used car that I purchased from a dealership. We were told it has a lifetime warranty, and the dealership now has told us that it has rod bearing failure and needs an engine replacement. And the manufacturer is denying to fix it because we can't provide like maintenance records from the time we didn't own the car. So I didn't know if this was something that where I could get some help or how I could go about trying to get anything done about that.
Yeah, these are all familiar calls to me.
Right.
We get them every day at the office. And unfortunately, you know, the manufacturer gives the written warranty, and that's the claim that you're making most of the time. But the manufacturer is going to have certain requirements under that warranty, one of which is that you've maintained the car. And if there's an engine failure during the warranty period, a lot of times the manufacturer will ask for the maintenance records and proof that you've maintained the vehicle. And of course, if you bought the car used, that's kind of hard to do. So I think at that point, you probably want to get with an attorney and maybe have an expert to show exactly, you know, what the cause of the engine failure was and whether or not it was related to the maintenance on that vehicle.
Is this, so let me ask you this, and I know we're up against the brakes, but very quickly, is this why you really need a Carfax before you buy even a used car?
Sure,
Okay.
sure. I tell people all the time that not only do you need a Carfax, Invitas is the National Motor Vehicle Information Titling System.
Okay.
Puts out, lets you buy a report. I would get one from them. And you know what else I would do? I would ask the dealership to let you take that car to a mechanic that you trust and have them look over. And most of your reputable dealerships, before they're selling a car, don't mind somebody looking at it, and let them look at it and see if there's something obvious that would need to be repaired before you decide to put down a huge down payment.
Yeah.
And sign paperwork to finance a car for several years.
That's great advice.
Well, Ashley, we're sorry that you're going through that situation, and hopefully they gave you some direction. Again, I know it's frustrating for you, and just we're sorry to hear that, but we certainly hope that that was some helpful advice for you.